The strategy is designed for very short deadlines, 30, 60, 120 seconds. It involves the use of two indicators for MetaTrader 4, Turbo Swing and Turbo Alarm. We position two MetaTrader windows on the same monitor, M1 on the left, M5 on the right. The desktop screen is divided into two parts, the upper part reserved for the charts and the alarm indicator, the lower part dedicated to the turbo swing indicator. The example currency is EUR/USD. It can be any currency. The turbo swing indicator is used to identify a price oscillation that confirms a change in direction. It is characterized by a high in the case the direction changes from ascending to descending, a low in the case the direction changes from descending to ascending. It consists of a series of oscillations that change over time. The signal occurs through a symbol that resembles the swing. Here is a swing high. In this example, for the moment it is colorless, now it is gray. When the internal vertical line is red or green in the case of swing low, it means that the swing is more significant. We will use the appearance of a colored swing as the entry moment in the M1 time frame. We will use the type of swing that appears as the direction of entry in the M1 time frame, red for put, green for call. We anticipate an entry in put with the red-colored swing, an entry in call with the green-colored swing. The shape of the symbol can sometimes be limited to the colored line. It is always a swing, only the symbol is slightly different. Its appearance is dictated by the amplitude of the swing, however, its entry signal is equally valid. Turbo alarm indicator. The indicator is used to identify with an arrow an obstacle that indicates a possible change in direction. Also in this case, the appearance of an arrow does not determine a decision to enter. Moreover, the appearance of an arrow can be followed by a second one, or even by a series of subsequent arrows, as in the figure. The last arrow in the sequence will be the one that gives us the entry signal. How to know if it's the last one or if there will be others to follow? The turbo swing indicator comes to our aid, which must confirm with its signal the possible entry, that is, the presence of the swing that will change the direction. First entry rule. When we simultaneously have a signal consisting of the appearance of the colored swing and the presence of the arrow, we get the green light to trade. Second entry rule. The signal must be confirmed by the presence on M5 of a swing of the same color. This swing on M5 may have appeared earlier, but it is still the last in the series. General strategy rule. The appearance of the colored swing on M1 together with the presence of the alert arrow on M1 gives us the entry signal when confirmed by the presence of the colored swing also on the M5 time frame. The presence of an alert arrow on M5, although not indispensable, will strengthen this entry signal. It does not matter if the alarm arrow or the swing appears first on M1. What is important is that both are present at the time of entry, always naturally with the M5 swing confirmation. There is not just one expiration time, but in any case it must be short. The results of our tests have been greater with short expirations, specifically 30, 60, and 120 seconds. Trading example. 11:50 p.m. AUD USD M1 on the left, M5 on the right. There is a red high swing on M5. We wait for the developments on M1, that is, a high swing and an alarm arrow. After 5 minutes, a red swing appears on M1, identical to that on M5. The alarm arrow on M1 to confirm entry is still missing, which arrives shortly after. All the conditions are met, namely M1 arrow, M1 swing, M5 swing. At the appearance of the arrow, enter the trade in put, expiration a few seconds. You can download our indicators for free from the link you find in the description. Try our strategy and leave a comment on the results obtained. To receive new strategies, you can subscribe to the channel and click the like button. Thank you for following us.